Kim Marsh is celebrating her 17th anniversary with North Central Telephone Cooperative. Before coming to NCTC, Kim worked in another field, but says she's very glad she made the switch. Kim Marsh, our NCTC Employee Spotlight. When did you first start working for NCTC?
June the 30th, 1997.
And what did you do before you worked here?
I was with Transfinancial Bank in their accounting department for about 4.5 years. Before that, I was with Farmers National Bank in Scottsville for about 2 or 3 years. Before that, I was with Bowling Green Bank and Trust for probably a couple of years.
So why did you want to switch from the banking industry to the telephone industry, I guess you could say?
Well, it was a good opportunity. It was a good career move. The stability and the co-op and this company has a good reputation. It was a good chance for better benefits, closer to home, just a better working environment.
So you're coming up on your 17th anniversary here. Does it seem like it's time has just gone by so fast, or has it seemed like it's been 17 years?
Sometimes it seems like a long time. Sometimes it seems like yesterday.
What do you like about your job here?
I love what I do. I love the actual work that I do. I work with some really good people. That makes it a lot better, makes it easier. And I'm also close to home, and I like being able to not have to drive that far.
And what do you do with your job? I know you're in the accounting department here at NCTC, but what specifically do you do with your job?
I do payroll. I do a lot of reconciliations with general ledger accounts. I do bank recs. I do monthly closings. There's a lot of reports, a lot of regulatory reporting that I do, just a lot of things. And then sometimes I fill in other departments as needed.
And outside of work, I know there are a couple of things that keep you busy. One thing is you are an actor. And talk about that a little bit. And you started performing at the Thomas House about how many years ago was that?
I probably started doing them about maybe 5 years ago, something like 5, 6 years ago. We do the Thomas House, which is a bed and breakfast. It's a historic bed and breakfast in Red Bull, and does dinner theater. And they usually have a show about once a month. And I got involved with it with a group of friends, and it has really become another family to me. It's a lot of work. You have to learn lines. You have to come up with costumes, and we practice at least twice a week. But it's a lot of fun. It's an outlet for stress relief, some therapy maybe, and it's just a great group of people. And I would encourage, if you get the chance to come out and see a show, I would encourage you to.
And then the other part that we were talking about, you are a very gifted pianist as well, and you play the piano at your church. Talk about that and how much, fulfillment that you get out of your life from the church aspect of things.
I started lessons when I was 6 years old, so I've been playing for 40 years. I feel like that's where God's put me. That's one of the talents that He's given me. And I want to use it the best way that I can. I also teach piano, and I've taught off and on since I was in middle school. Taught pretty steady for the last several years, but I enjoy it. It's a good therapy. You know, you can take your frustrations out, or you can just do it for enjoyment, and I love it.
Of course, it's a different, I would think, mentality teaching piano lessons versus actually playing in church. Talk about just playing in church and what that's like for you.
I enjoy it. It's my part that I can serve. serving God, serving my church. And I enjoy that and consider it a privilege to be able to do that. I love to play. I like to be able to share knowledge with people if they need help with something, or if I can help somebody else, then that's what I want to do. And I would hope that it would be a blessing. Somebody would get a blessing from the efforts. Not anything to say me, because I'm not anything without the Lord, but that somebody else might be able to be blessed with it.
Very good. I'm sure they have been through the years. As far as NCTC is concerned, do you see yourself working here until you retire?
I hope so. I only have about 12 more years, approximately.
Not that you're counting.
Not that I'm counting, but I've already tried to turn my retirement date in, and all my supervisors will be gone by then. So, but hopefully, I will be able to retire from here. It would be a great blessing.
Kim Marsh, our NCTC Employee Spotlight.